Hello, welcome to today's Fun Friday. We're looking at All About That Bass by Meghan Trainor. Only 4 chords. I'm not even going to have time to remind you to like and subscribe. It's that quick. So the chords are A, B minor, E and A. Pretty much I would say your thumb only needs to either be on the A or the B at any time. When you get to the E chord, just play it in that inversion with B at the bottom. So you've got A, B minor and E. I'm going to play the bass note for the verse pattern, but when I play this in a band, the bass player is covering that, and as she sings about, it is supposed to be all about the bass. So just to put it in context, you play on the 2 and the 4 like I've put in that verse note there. So you would go something like that's all there is to the verses. In actual fact, the way I would play it is without the left hand playing the bass note, so it would sound 1, 2, 3, 4. Bit like that. When you get to the chorus, this is where you play 1, 2, 3, 4. So you are playing what I tend to do is actually do this in open fifths. So you don't play the middle note of the chord. It sounds a bit cleaner. So you're just playing A and E, B and F sharp, E and B, back to A and E. Nice and easy. And also don't just hit them all the same velocity. There is a rhythm you can put into it. I'll accent it a bit here. Just makes it a little bit more interesting and sounds a bit more polished. And that literally is all there is to All About That Bass. I hope you have fun arranging it with your band. Like and subscribe is actually always appreciated. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.